Good grief. What in God's name is in this box? Here we are. Happy Saturday, guys. Hello everybody, Craven here. Thank you for joining me today on this fine Saturday. I hope you all have a lovely weekend. What have we got in this box? Well, I can tell you one thing. It is the heaviest item I have picked up to date. And I got this from GSH's auction on Social, which was a great event hosted by the Stack Collector, who always does a fantastic job as a host. And I had so much fun. So there's two things in here that I picked up, and let's open it and find out. I knew this was from GSH's auction the moment it arrived because the postman knocked on the door and I wasn't actually by the door, so he'd started walking away down the drive. And when I got there, he goes, "Oh, very heavy, very, very heavy," and pointed to where he'd hid it. And I picked it up and I was like, yeah, I know where this is from. Okay. Oh my God. So, firstly, Social. If it works, scan the QR code. We're about to be over 1,500 members. So if you're part of this community, join Social. It's completely free and it is the place to be. Just while I'm unboxing this, if you have never heard of GSH, Gold Silver Hunter, that's what it stands for. He is a very talented pourer and he makes custom pours, very large in size, as you can see, or you're about to see. You can start to see this a little bit. It's starting to reveal. This is looking mega. I'm so excited. But yeah, he does silver pours, copper pours, zinc pours, you name it. I will leave a link to his YouTube channel in the description. You should definitely check him out. Like I say, hopefully in the near future, there will be another GSH auction on Social. It was so much fun. Got a couple of certificate of authenticities here as well. I'll have a look at them in a minute. The first pickup that I got is called the Mando Pack, which is a reference to the Mandalorian, which is a fantastic series on Disney. If you haven't seen it before, I'm sure you have. It's Baby Grogu. Look at that. 2025. Look at that. Beautiful. Really nice. So this is made of zinc. And yeah, really, really nice. Love that. This. Wow. That's so nice. You can see there. Helmet. This is the way. This is the way. Oh, that's so cool. It's got a bit of weight to it. And yeah, this one's also zinc. Really nice. I'm so happy with this. What an excellent job he's done on this. Hit the like button and drop a comment if you like what you see here. These are all, you know, I haven't got anything like this so far, so this really is something different. Let me know what you think. Let's put him there next to Grogu. Okay, and then this one. Now this last one is Nordic gold. So no, it's not real gold, it's Nordic gold. But nonetheless, it's a beauty. Wow. Look at this. So it's the same design as the zinc one. One on the right is zinc, the one on the left is Nordic gold. So cool. Let me know which one you prefer. I think I'm gonna have to go for this one. The Nordic gold. That is so cool. I'm really happy with that. What an absolute beautiful piece. The Mando Pack from GSH. This is the way. Yeah, perfect. So that is, as I mentioned, that is the Mando Pack. Weight 0.3 kilos. Nordic gold plus 2 times zinc. Mintage 1 of 1. Signed GSH. And there he is. GSH Gold Silver Hunter. Really nice. Thank you so much for sending me this, buddy. Here's for the big boy. So this is the main piece that I picked up. So it's made of brass and it's called the God of War. And it's just over 5 kilos in weight. So when I said it was really heavy, it really is for a piece. at least, for a pour, a brass pour. 29th of June 2025, metal brass, once again, 1 of 1, and it's all mine. Let's check it out. Oh my goodness. You ready for this? Oh, look at this. Wow. I tell you what, this is... This is... it's heavy, if I haven't already mentioned, but this is beautiful. Look at the detail on this. God of War. Wow, what a stunning design, and how nice does this look? Just every part of it, the detail. I love these sort of ridges here. Wow. It's absolutely lovely. I'll show you behind. Looks like a big cookie from behind, like a big chocolate biscuit or something. But it's not. It's this beast. Will it stand up? Right, put you against the wall there. Wow. Gonna have to get a zoom in on this, aren't we? So this is the God of War. It's my biggest pickup to date. It's made of brass. It is 1 of 1, poured by the man himself, Gold Silver Hunter. Comes with a COA, and I am delighted. I really am. Let me know in the comments what you think when I finally get a permanent setup and I'm not just making a makeshift one every time. This is gonna go right in the center of it. And as for these, well, not sure what I'm gonna do with these yet, but they are so cool. And this one as well, really, really nice. Let me know in the comments what your favorite monster flavor is. Mine's a toss up between this, which is the Mango Loco, and the Aussie Lemonade, but let me know which one is your favorite. I'm gonna be needing this after carrying this upstairs. Don't forget, guys, this Sunday in Stacker Social, I'm hosting another live episode of Sundays with Craven, and my guest this week is the amazing Cobra Stacker, who has just come back from his honeymoon. I can't wait to speak to him. So make sure you join in. I'm going to be doing a really cool giveaway, and you don't want to miss it. So that's all I had to show you today. Make sure you join Stacker Social. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button. Drop me a comment. Let me know what you thought of these pieces from Gold Silver Hunter. Subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next one.